yeah, these are Brittany's top low maintenance plants. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have tons of bloopers in my video, and you know what? I'm totally fine with that. And how neglected, not that I'm proud of it, but hello there and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today I've been inspired to talk about plants and my take on the most impossible, my top most impossible. Take two. Hello there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today I want to talk about houseplants. So it's the end of spring, we're going into summer, and I've really been getting into, you know, caring for my plants, my indoor and outdoor, and getting them ready for the summer heat, and just, you know, refertilizing, giving them proper nutrients, repotting and stuff like that. And I had the idea to talk about my top, pretty much low maintenance, hard to kill houseplants, and I have my babies behind me. So I have my snake plant, and I will insert the proper name for them, but I'm gonna give you the layman's terms, you know, terms that you hear floating around for these plants, so it's easier for you to know what I'm talking about. I have my huge monstera, or my Swiss cheese plant. I have my bird of paradise. I have my snake plant. I have my ZZ plant back here. I don't know if you can see, but I will insert better images of each of the plants. And also I have my beauty Valentina, my pothos. I haven't named all of my plants, but they are all equally my babies and have a very special place in my heart. So about these plants, I say they're low maintenance and virtually impossible to kill because I don't have a regular watering schedule or anything like that. I do make sure I have ample light for all of my plants, and it's best to keep them out of direct sunlight, but they love a great light source. And if I don't have a space for them where I have an ample light source, I have a grow light, which I do keep on 3 of my plants currently. I keep the grow light on my bird of paradise, I keep my grow light on my ZZ plant, and I keep my grow light on another plant that I'm trying to propagate. So my other plants I just have around the house, and if you hear a little squeaker, it's my my baby, right? Remember Kashi? The reason I say these plants are low maintenance and stuff like that is because, again, I don't have them on a watering schedule like, oh my gosh, every 2 weeks. I literally look at the plant and I'm like, all right, I feel the dirt, and usually it's like bone dry. So I'll give it some water, make sure it has wonderful drainage, like you have those drainage trays that have like the holes in them that let the water, you know, go through, so it's not keeping the roots saturated, because that will prevent root rot, which will definitely kill your plant. I say I don't have a proper watering schedule. I don't, because I prefer to underwater rather than drown my plants, because once you drown them, there really is no bringing the plant back to life. But you know, let me get a little thirsty, that's fine. You can always give the plant water and it'll bounce right back. So again, my bird, even though you could see they're surviving, but would I say they're thriving and pushing out new plants like I like right now? No, because I just repotted this one and gave it some fertilizer pellets, so this should be on its way, rocking out new foliage. So I did wipe down the leaves so it could get all of its light and stuff and get the nutrients going, and dust will kind of block that from getting through. So I, with a paper towel, wet paper towel, just wipe down the leaves and you know, just let it be merry. I do have to repot my ZZ plant. Not necessarily in a bigger pot. I might, because it still looks like it's, you know, has a decent amount of space in there, but I do want to give it some fresh fertilizer and some new soil just to, you know, give it a little rejuvenation. My snake plant, oh my goodness, when I say this is my most whoa, look at that.
What you want, Mommy?
My plant fell over. Oh my goodness. So that just goes to show you how top heavy this thing is. I'm gonna have tons of bloopers in my video, and you know what? You know what? I'm totally fine with that. This Monstera, we'll get back to the snake plant, but this Monstera, when they say monstrous, they are monsters of plants, but I absolutely love it. Hence why I need to put it in a new pot because it's outgrown its pot. So I have a whole bunch of dirt on my floor, but that's okay. That's what vacuums and brooms are for, but you know what? Just my little babies. So back to the snake plant and how neglected. Not that I'm proud of it, but I can go over a month without watering this plant and it will not die. So to sit there and say, and again, I'm not proud of that, but these plants are grade A and they will last you. So if you miss a watering or like go out of town, you don't have to worry about this thing dying on you because it's a champion for sure. What else? Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are my top low maintenance, impossible to kill. Hold on, Cash. My low maintenance, impossible to kill plants. This video, like all my other videos, is probably funny and chaotic and bumpy, but I hope this helped you. I hope that helped you. Snake plant, Monstera, Swiss cheese plant, bird of paradise, which by the way, mine has not flowered and I've had it for quite a few years now. My pothos, Valentina, who needs to be pruned, but I've had her for probably 6 years at this point. What's behind me? ZZ, who needs to be tended to, leaves wiped down and repotted, but yeah, these are Brittany's top low maintenance plants. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!